Hello everyone, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how you can update your firmware of your Soundcore K20i earbuds. These are the earphones right here. First things first, you want to open them and take them out so that they are put into pairing mode. Once they're in pairing mode, you need to connect it to your mobile device, okay? And you should have the Soundcore app as well. So this app right here, Soundcore, you need to download this from either the Play Store or the App Store, depending on which mobile device you have, either the Android or the iOS. It works on both phones. So first thing you want to do is connect the earbuds to your device. So let's go ahead and do that. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. All right. Let's go ahead and connect. Okay. Once they are connected, so it automatically gave me the prompt to update the firmware since it needs one. But in case it doesn't give you a prompt, you can still just go here uh, to update firmware. Let's go here, update firmware. Okay, it has the red dot indicating that it needs to be updated. So let's go ahead and do that. Download. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and wait for this. How long this takes would depend on your internet connection. It could go faster or slower depending on the performance of your internet connection. This shouldn't take as long as it's taking right now since the size is only 1 MB, so I'm not sure what's going on. But in most cases, this should only take like a few seconds to a minute. Okay, so now it's almost done. It's at 99, 100. There we go. Now it's restarting it. There we go. It's almost done. Well, yep. In order to complete the update, the device will now restart. Please wait a moment. So we need to wait a bit more. There we go. It's done. Now it's up to date. Now, if we go back to the settings and if we go to the update firmware, as you can see, it's a newer firmware. We go here. Now it says you are up to date. So pretty easy and we're already up to date. So thanks for watching.